In today's video, we're going to find the area of a trapezoid. So we have a trapezoid here, and we could see that this length is 10, this length is 15, and this height here is 10, all in meters. So the first thing to know is the area of a trapezoid is calculated with this equation. So half times the height times the base 1 plus base 2 in brackets, okay? So you have to do this operation first because it's in brackets. So now we can just identify each of these variables. The height is 10 meters. We can see that. The base is 15 meters, one of the bases, and the other base is 10 meters. Okay? So now we could just plug those numbers in. Plug these numbers into the area equation. And once you do that, it looks like this. Area equals 1/2 times 10, which is the height, times bracket 15 plus 10. Okay? You do this operation first. So when you calculate it all out, the area equals 125 meters squared. Don't forget, area is measured in square units. So you need to make sure to put in the square units. Okay, remember, area is measured in square units. And that's the end of that lesson. And you could watch it again if you didn't quite understand it. You're probably just one explanation away from understanding it. There's nothing wrong with repetition. If you still want more help, you could take a look at the description. There's links there to other videos of mine that I've done that are like this. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, there's a link there that'll take you right to this lesson, and you could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.